On the Sunday before Easter, Jesus rode into Jerusalem on a donkey. What do we call that day? Palm Sunday. What is the name we give to the special meal when Jesus first broke bread with his disciples? The Last Supper. How many times would Peter deny knowing Jesus? 3 times. What do we call the day that Jesus died? Good Friday. What happened on the 3rd day? Jesus came back to life. What was the name of the lady who found the empty tomb? Mary Magdalene. During the story, The Road to Emmaus, what did Jesus do that made them realise that it was him? He took the bread, gave thanks, and broke it. During the story, Doubting Thomas, what did Jesus say when he appeared to the disciples? Peace be with you. During the story, Breakfast on the Beach, what did Jesus ask Peter 3 times? Do you love me? What did Jesus' death on the cross mean for you and me? That our sins are forgiven.